If you're in a calorie deficit but refuse to give up your daily iced coffees, this is the product for you. Hello you guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello there. My name is Karen and I make brand new content for you guys every single day. So you should definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button down there so you do not miss out on all my brand new videos and shorts. You guys, I'm so excited for this week's video because I'm going to be talking to you guys about a product that I recently tried out that I absolutely fell in love with. And obviously if I fall in love with a product, I have to tell you guys more about it and put you on it. Today, I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Javvy protein coffee, also known as Proffee. And I'm just gonna give you guys like my full honest breakdown about this product, the ingredients that are in this product, how I incorporate it into my daily routine. And then at the end of this video, I'll tell you guys how you can try out Javvy without having to pay full price, because who doesn't love a good discount? Without further ado, let's get started talking about this incredible brand. When you order Javvy, it comes in the mail in this cute little mailer and it says Javvy, crave-worthy coffee without compromise. Let's take out our product. So besides the original protein coffee, which is the one that I will be having today, there are literally so many different flavor options on Javvy's website. Let me just tell you guys a little bit about them. There's chocolate peanut butter, caramel, mocha, French vanilla, hazelnut, coconut mocha, salted caramel, tiramisu, sugar cookie, and cookie dough. So there's lots of different flavoring options if you're not like an original gal, but to me, I love having just like an original coffee ground so that I can add in like my syrups or like a cold foam on top. I hate having like different flavors clashing with each other. This product is protein coffee. That's why it's also known as Proffee. It's just a simpler way of saying protein coffee. So if you're wondering like what protein is included in this product, it is premium whey protein that delivers essential amino acids that support muscle growth and recovery. So it's perfect for post-workout fuel. This is 100% real coffee. It has 10 grams of protein per scoop, but most people use 2 scoops of this in their morning coffee cup. So that equals out to 20 grams of protein just from drinking coffee. That's literally incredible. There are 70 calories per scoop. So if you use 2, it would be 140. There are 80 milligrams of caffeine per serving. So you're able to like quick start your day, but then also start reaching your protein goals really early on in the morning, which is something that I love. I think that'd be super convenient because honestly, if you just don't have time to have a protein packed breakfast, this could be like your saving grace to where you can still meet your protein goals by the end of the day. You're probably wondering what makes Javvy coffee different from other protein coffees on the market, and I totally understand why you're feeling that way. I would be questioning that too. Javvy tastes just like coffee, not protein. I know a lot of different like protein powders, things that you can add into your coffee, or just like protein coffees that you see on the shelf in the store. Those taste chalky to me, and because of that chalky flavor, it makes it really hard to find the coffee enjoyable. Javvy avoids that by using clean ingredients. There's no added sugar, no artificial sweeteners, no stevia, no gums or stabilizers. It is made with completely clean, functional ingredients, which is something that I prioritize a lot, especially in 2026. That was one of my main New Year's goals, was just like picking out snacks and foods that have way cleaner ingredients than the stuff that I was eating in the past. So I feel like Javvy prioritizes that. That's why I love it so much. This product is a protein plus caffeine combo, so you're able to get like energy plus protein all in one bag. It helps control your appetite, helps reduce snacking throughout the day. So instead of just like drinking empty calorie coffee like lattes that you would buy from like Starbucks or Dunkin', Javvy actually contributes to your protein and wellness goals. Plus some bonus ingredients that I want to tell you guys about. There are prebiotics for digestive support, MCTs, which helps support brain energy and sustained energy. That way you don't have any more like sugar crashes 3 hours after you finish drinking your coffee. Another really cool thing about Javvy is that it can help promote cardiovascular health by supporting healthy circulation and heart function. Now that I've talked about all the bullet points and all of the things that make Javvy so amazing, I think we need to go and try this product out and show you guys how I make the perfect protein coffee. It's only 3 simple steps. You'll find the directions right here on the back of the bag. Step 1, fill your cup with 8 ounces of cold water or milk. Step 2, you'll add 1 scoop of protein coffee. And then step 3, we will froth or shake well before adding ice. Let's go make our morning coffee with Javvy. Alright you guys, here is my beautiful Javvy protein coffee. I'm so excited to have my daily Javvy. You guys, this stuff is so good. It smells so good. It smells literally like you're walking into a coffee shop. I love how Javvy like froths up, because I've always been into like frothed coffee ever since like 2020. That trend, I feel like this reminds me of that era of life. It's just so good. I will say that I added a little bit more than 1 scoop. I did 1 scoop and then it was too white. I don't like my coffees too white. I like them to be a little bit more like a brown color. So I did probably like 1.5 scoops. So a little bit over 10 grams of protein just in this drink right here. Without further ado, let's try out my Javvy protein coffee. That is so good. See, like, this is crazy because I have like a whole Keurig set up and I finally figured out like my favorite Keurig coffee, but like this kind of puts that to shame. Like, this is just so easy and quick, and the way that it tastes so good, like it feels like I just paid $7 for this at Starbucks, plus like it's helping me reach my wellness goals. Like, literally, what more could you ask for in a product? Just to give you like a comparison, most iced lattes from places like Starbucks or Dunkin', they can easily hit 250 to 400 calories, especially with like syrups and other add-ins that you may put in your order. So it's just so amazing how Javvy can help you stay in your calorie deficit, help you with like morning cravings, and then honestly make your mornings way more efficient, because this took me all of 2 minutes to mix everything together and make this. But I always love, like when I try out products, I love to tell you guys like who they're best for. I feel like that would help me out if I was a viewer. I think it would be great for busy students like me. Like, this would save me so much time in the morning, just to be able to have a good iced coffee that's not just drinking my calories away. It's also great for gym girls, people who are in a calorie deficit, people also trying to stop snacking, because this product does help stop those like snacking cravings that you have at like 3 p.m. or just literally coffee lovers who want to eat more protein in their diet. This is an excellent option for you. Another thing that I really look for in my morning coffees is a bold espresso flavor. I don't really like sugary coffees a lot. This coffee is perfect because it's still super bold, but it also has that frothiness that I love. My final verdict: is Javvy Coffee healthy or is it just hype? I think it's 100% healthy. Like, this is not just hype. I had seen so many TikToks, so many YouTube videos about this product, and I was like, I don't know if they're just saying that, but this stuff, it's excellent. Like, this is 100% part of my new routine. 100% would buy this again, and I'm giving this product 100 out of 10. This tastes just like my Starbucks order, which is a brown sugar shaken espresso. So my final verdict that I'm gonna say is that if you're already drinking iced coffee every day, swapping that iced coffee for something that gives you 20 grams of protein and no added sugar is honestly just the best upgrade. Now that I gave you guys the full rundown about this product, I want to help you guys out if you want to start incorporating Javvy protein coffee into your morning routine yourself. You can use my discount code for 20% off your first order plus free shipping on US orders over $50. The code is Karen98479. If you're making a one-time purchase, you can just enter the code at checkout, but if you're doing subscribe and save, make sure that you shop through my affiliate link in the description. Even if that code doesn't show up at checkout, you'll still be able to get Javvy protein coffee for up to 38% off. One bag of Javvy protein coffee is $39.95, and there's about 32 servings in this bag, so that equals out to about $1.25 per coffee, which saves you literally so much compared to $7 or $8 lattes. Everything that you need to start your Javvy journey will be linked below. That is too good. With that, thank you guys so much for watching this week's video. This was literally such a fun one for me to film, because you know me, I am a huge coffee lover, so this brand is right up my alley. One of my main priorities in my life now is having a great morning routine and just like starting off the morning in a relaxing way, because I feel like that sets me up to have the most successful days. Obviously, I want to have a morning coffee that is going to help me instead of hurt me later on. This product literally does that, so it's absolutely perfect for me. If you like this week's video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to hit that subscribe button down there so you do not miss out on all my brand new videos and shorts. I love you guys all so much. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye.